In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix iPhone speaker sound too low or no sound at all. So let's get started. First of all is that you want to navigate into the settings, and in here is that you would want to go into accessibility. So you want to scroll down until you see this accessibility. Tap on it, and then once you're in, you would want to scroll down and go into touch. And from here, you would want to go here into call audio routing. So this is set into automatic. You must also search for the automatic one and make sure it's set to automatic, because this might be the reason that you are not hearing any sounds at all, especially when you're in a call. So you want to make sure it's automatic. Once you're done, you want to go back. And this time is that you would want to go here into the sounds and haptics, which is this one. Tap on it. And in here, you'd also be able to see the speaker volume, which is this one right here. So you'll make sure that it is turned all the way up, or at least at a level where it can be heard. It might be that it is set to 0. That is why you're not hearing anything. So yeah, make sure that it is toggled into a level where it's audible. And next is that you could go here into headphone safety. You could also go and try into disabling the reduce loud audio, so that the iPhone will not be filtering any audio at all, because this might be the reason that you are not getting any sounds. And lastly is that you might have toggled the silent mode switch on your iPhone. So you could navigate here into the left side of your phone, as you can see right here. So it would look like this right here. So you want to make sure that you toggle that on, because that is the silent mode toggle. So it could set your phone into silent. That is why you are not hearing any sounds. So you want to make sure that you toggle it on and test it out if you're hearing any sounds, and toggle it again if you're still not hearing anything, and test it again. So yeah, those are the troubleshooting steps that you should take if you are not hearing any sounds at all here in your iPhone. If none of this is working, it might be that it is a hardware problem. It's best to get a professional involved in checking your phone. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.